In this lecture, we will actually run our application on mobile and perform an inference where we will select a picture from the camera, submit it to our ML model and ask it to do an inference. So I've launched the app on my iPhone and I'm recording iPhone video. So the app is up and running. I will click on the camera first, which will allow me to choose a picture from the camera. Okay, I'm choosing a picture from the camera. I'm just pointing a picture of a desert that I found in the Google image. So I take a picture, then use photo. As you can see, the classification, it's indicating the desert, it's high confidence, and soup is 0 confidence. So it's indicating that it's a desert correctly. Let's try one more picture of a desert. Again, I'm going to take a picture of a desert from the Google images and then click on use photo. It is classifying as desert again. Let's try some other picture. So this time I'm going to take a picture of this pasta and again click use photos. It's detecting noodles and pasta correctly with a very high confidence. So you can select any random images from your Google or any image dataset that you have which you have not used for trading and ask your model to predict it. And then we'll try one more picture of fruits and let's see how the model is doing. And it's detecting as vegetable fruit correctly. And now let's try some pictures from my library itself. I'm going to choose my photo library and I'm going to select some images from my library. I have few images of some vegetables and a bread. I'm going to select some. So I have my garden, small garden, vegetable garden. I'm going to select one vegetable. This is coriander vegetable and it's correctly classified as vegetable or fruit category. Let's try one more picture. This time I'm going to select one of these breads. I'm going to select a picture of a bread. And then it's classifying as a bread correctly. So that's how the food classification is working on my iPhone. Here is a demo of the same application, exact same code running on my iPad. So I'm just selecting a photo of a soup dish. Let's see if the iPhone is able to detect it. And can click use photo. It's detecting the soup correctly. Let's try another picture. Here, let's take another picture. Here I'm selecting a picture of a steak. Click on use photo. And then it's correctly classifying as a meat. Let's try another picture. Here we are taking a picture of some spring rolls. It's correctly classified as a fried food, right? And try one more. Picture of a cheese. Let's see what it is it predict. And it's predicting as a dairy product, which is the correct prediction. So this is the demo of food classifier on my iPad.